Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Kenmore Dishwasher Electronic Control Board. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new electronic control board. The electronic control board is what controls the dishwasher. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if something has failed on the board and the dishwasher is not working. To get to the part, we're going to open up the dishwasher door and remove the 6 screws that hold the top of the console on. As you're taking the last screw out, you want to hold the door together so it doesn't fall apart. Then once you have all the screws out, we can lift the door up and close it. With the door closed, we can very carefully pull the console off and rotate it up a little bit so we can set it on top of the front door panel. Then we can remove this cover. We have to release the tabs by the 4 arrows. So we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and pop the 2 off on the right, kind of lift up a little bit. Then we can do the one on the left. And then we can press the tab right here so we can pull the whole cover off. Now that we have the cover off, we can disconnect everything from the control board. First thing we're going to do is disconnect this ribbon cable. You want to be very careful and make sure you don't damage it when you pull it off. Once you have it off, you can just stick it behind there. Now we can take off the thermal fuse. There's just a couple small tabs that hold it in place. You can just pop it off with a small screwdriver and get it out of the way. Then we can take off the 3 wiring harnesses. There's no tabs that hold these on. You just have to very carefully pull them off. With everything off the control board, we can take a small screwdriver and release the 2 tabs on the left end. And while you're pressing them, you can lift up on the control board. Once you get the one done, you can do the one on the other side. With both of them released, we can just lift the control board out of the console. Here's the old electronic control board next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new electronic control board in, we just have to put this end down in the control panel, and then once we have it in, we can set the other end down and the locking tabs will lock it in place. Then we can plug all the wiring harnesses onto the new control board. All you have to do is line them up and push them on, make sure they get good contact. Then we can put the thermal fuse back on. All you have to do is snap it down and it'll lock in. Last thing we have to do is put the ribbon cable on. Again, be careful you don't damage it. And all we have to do is make sure it goes all the way down and connects into the control board. With the ribbon cable connected, we have to put the cover back in. All you have to do is lower it down into place, and you want to make sure that the 4 arrow tabs are all locked in so the cover is held in. To lock the middle one in, all you have to do is push down on it to make sure it's in place. Now that we have the cover in, we can rotate the console up, open the door a little bit. It's all put back together. We can hold it together while we open up the door so we can put the screws in. Now that we have the screws installed, we can close the dishwasher door. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.